on our way to Burma. It's like a couple of hours, 2-3 hours drive from Skardu. Look at this. Just amazing. Thank you, take care. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at the Manthoka Waterfall. You can see on my behind, this waterfall is a natural waterfall, and this place, you see, was made like around 10 years ago naturally. You know, no man-made thing, no nothing. It's a natural waterfall, natural place. You know, the thing about here is that, you know, every 4-5 years things change, places change because of the natural disasters and everything. So yes, this is Manthoka Waterfall, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, this is another breathtaking view. Beautiful. And you know, you can spend days and days and days over here. And the best part about this part is, you know, everywhere you go, you can see, you have the facility of camping as well. If you don't want to rent out a resort or a hotel, you can do the camping here as well. And it's just amazing, amazing. Freezing cold. What is freezing cold? Oh. Look at those people over there. They're not even wearing proper gears, and they're up there. We couldn't even go there. Even though we are wearing proper gears and joggers, we're just wearing slippers or sandals, and you know, they're amazing. These people, the people here are amazing, literally amazing. Talking about this bridge. Look at this, it's very scary, very shaky. See? Oh. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh.